Despite warmer temperatures, ice remains on many of the lakes in northern Minnesota, and the amount of ice is pretty significant. Lacey Monteleone tonight has more on how that is creating concerns for local resort owners.
The governor's fishing opener is a time for excitement in northern Minnesota.
It's really the best time of fishing, because it's a lot of camaraderie amongst folks.
And for Tony South, it's when business starts booming.
It is kind of our kickstart so that when we do hit the touristy type of vacation time period, we're 100% ready.
This year it's been a little harder to prepare.
We're certainly running into more issues with getting into our cabins, turning on the water.
And concerns are mounting.
A lot of people are looking at possibly even heading to some resorts down south instead.
That's because the ice seems reluctant to go away.
Ice is out as of today, almost up to St. Cloud.
A bird's eye view shows just how different things are just a little further north.
That's Upper and Lower Red Lake. This is Lake Bemidji.
Even though some ice is starting to melt on the edge of the lake, there's still about 20 to 30 inches of ice on bigger lakes like Lake Bemidji and Leech and Cass Lake.
For Lake Bemidji, for example, the typical ice out date is April 26th. Last year it was the earliest on record. This year it may be pushing one of the later years in record.
Drews says the later ice out is not unprecedented.
There have been a number of winters in recent years, in the mid-1990s and 2008, where we had light ice off.
South has one piece of advice for those still planning to fish further north.
We've had guests this year call us up and ask us the conditions of the lake, and I tell them, well, just in case, you better bring your ice auger with you.
South says either way, his resort should be half full for opener.
If tradition's there, and they'll keep coming back to us.
Lacey Monteleone, Lakeland News.
Andy and our officials hope higher temperatures as well as other factors such as wind will propel the melting process faster.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.